Hey Python coders! In the last video, we had some fun with the number guessing game. This time, we are building something super practical, a temperature converter using Python. It's a great way to learn how to work with user input, apply simple formulas, and make your code actually do something useful. So let us start. So we will give options to the user whether it has to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, Celsius to Kelvin, Fahrenheit to Celsius, and so on. So let us print choose one of the options. Then let the first option be from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Second, Celsius to Kelvin. Third, Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fourth, Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Fifth, Kelvin to Fahrenheit. And the last one is Kelvin to Celsius. Then we will take input from the user, enter the option, and then we will take the temperature value input, enter the temperature. Then we will write the if condition. If x is equal to 1, then we will print temperature is. Then we will use the formula to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, which is y multiplied by 9 and whole divided by 5 plus 32. We will also print in Fahrenheit. We can simply print Fahrenheit. Temperature is just Fahrenheit. We can copy this one and write for others in the similar way. Else if x is 2, then it has to convert from Celsius to Kelvin, and to convert it from Celsius to Kelvin, we just need to add 273.15. This bracket is not required. And now we can write the third condition. If the user chose third option, then we will convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Convert it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. First, we will subtract it by 32, then multiply it by 5, then whole divide by 9. And this will be in Celsius. Then the next is to convert from Fahrenheit to Kelvin. To convert it from Fahrenheit to Kelvin, first we can convert it from Fahrenheit to Celsius and then Celsius to Kelvin. So we can remove this and we will add this here. Then we will add 273.15. Then we'll copy this, and if x is equal to 5, that is from Kelvin to Fahrenheit, Wait, I haven't changed this. This is in Kelvin. Then the fifth one is to change it from Kelvin to Fahrenheit. We are doing from Kelvin to Fahrenheit. It means from Kelvin first we will make it Celsius and then to Fahrenheit. So we'll not do this. Instead, we will first subtract 273.15 and then we'll multiply it by 9 and then we'll divide by 5. I hope the brackets are fine and they are okay. Then one more condition, when x is 6, that is it will change from Kelvin to Celsius. So we just have to subtract it by 273.15. Can remove one bracket from here and this one, the fifth one, will be in Fahrenheit, and I hope this is correct. So they are correct, and at last we will give the else condition, else we will print invalid option. So our program is ready, so let's go. There is some error, so let's see this error. And okay, parenthesis is missing here. And next, if we just clear this and do again, and you can see now the program is working and it's asking to choose one of the options, which is choose 3, then enter the temperature. So let it be 3 or 330 or something. Then it has shown the temperature in Celsius. If we say again, and now let us choose the second option. We need to enter in Kelvin, let it be 30 again. I mean Celsius, and then it will be converted into Kelvin, and then you can see that's converted into Kelvin by adding to 73.15 Kelvin. Okay, so this was the program. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Happy coding!